In the dead of the Siberian winter, the temperature is 50 below.
Something is coming. A machine that shouldn't exist.
They call it the ghost train. A runaway engine forged in the heart of a volcano. It doesn't push the snow, it erases it.
Friction has reached 10,000 degrees. The forest bows to the heat. A path of fire through a world of ice.
A ghost at the throttle. No engineer to stop the madness. A scream that can be heard for 50 miles.
The air itself is warping under the magnitude of the thermal energy.
The cargo isn't coal. It's raw, planetary heat. Bound by chains of liquid fire.
Nothing cold can exist within its radius.
A dragon made of steel and lava, hunting the horizon.
Bridges become ash. History is deleted. A biological machine. A heartbeat of fire.
Looking into the mouth of the abyss.
Nature knows to flee the unnatural. A name written in the language of the forge.
A ghost trail of vapor that hides the monster.
Liquid metal lubrication.
The sky and the earth are in a dance of light.
The electrical charge of a thunderstorm, contained in a machine.
Every bolt is a point of failure, held together by gravity. The ultimate contrast. Absolute zero meets the absolute core. The physics of the Arctic are being rewritten. Some say the fire is alive, a consciousness born of heat. The tunnel becomes a cannon barrel.
The machinery of eternity.
The river groans in its sleep.
Building materials for a city in hell.
There are no brakes. There is only the journey.
The storm is the train.
Transparency is lost to the heat.
The ancients are waking up. A trail of dying stars. The very earth is transformed.
Red means nothing to the fire.
Gravity is the only thing the giant respect. A veil of ghosts.
Sentient fuel.
The geometry of chaos.
The horizon is being divided. Cold air is the breath of the fire. Molecular instability.
The crust is breaking.
The skin of a god.
A war of elements.
Autopilot from the underworld.
Beauty erased.
Wealth has no value here.
A storm in its wake.
The heart of the rotation.
The final arena.
Eyes that see the future.
A thermal shockwave.
The details of the damnation.
The end of the night.
A liquid legacy.
The consumption of the void.
Projectiles of the sun.
Gravity is winning.
Voices in the fire. The chimney of the earth.
Radiant warning. The glass forest.
The pulse of the machine.
The shadow of fire.
The collision of worlds. The Great Reset.
Molecular warfare.
Carving through the Arctic heart. The engine is drowning in its own heat.
Instant obsidian.
The treasures of the deep. A new cloud for the world. The ghost finds its rest. The fire refuses to die. The morning after the Inferno. The remains of a legend.
A road that ends in mystery. A lake of obsidian.
A world reborn.
Nature will reclaim the scars. But the ice will never forget. The fire is gone, but the heat remains.
The Arctic returns to its sleep.
Until the next night.
Subscribe to track the legend.